Okay, welcome back students. As you can see on the board that we're dealing with exponent, and for PSC paper 1 you might see problems such as this. So this is the first thing you need to know when it comes to exponent. The 5 is the base and the little 3 at the top is the exponent. And remember, the exponent is a part that can change, because this could have been 5 to the 2nd power, to the 4th power, to the 5th power, and the list goes on. So let's go right into solving a problem like this. So we're going to multiply 5 by itself 3 times. Not 5 times 3, but 5 times itself. So 5 times 5 times 5. So the mistake that you can make in finding exponent, people might say, okay, it means that 5 times 3, 15, so that's my answer. No. Your base will be multiplied by itself, depend on what is your exponent. And our exponent here is 3, so it's 5 times 5 times 5. So 5 multiplied by itself 3 times. And our answer for this is 5 times 5, 25, and 25 times 5 equals 125. And for PSC paper 1, the problem is solved. Again, a quick review. Remember, for PSC paper 1, they might give you a problem that says solve 5 to the 3rd power. The first thing you need to note is 5 is the base and 3 is the exponent. So 5, which is the base, in a problem like this, it's telling you that you're going to multiply 5 by itself 3 times. In order for us to solve the problem now and get the answer 5 to the 3rd power, remember, it doesn't mean 5 times 3, because then your answer will be 15. 5 to the 3rd power mean 5 times 5 times 5. And when we multiply 5 times 5, that gives you 25. 25 times 5 is 125. Okay, let's do another example. Let's say they gave us a problem and they say solve 2 to the 5th power. Remember, 2 is the base. So 2 is the number that will go into itself. And your exponent tells you how many times 2 will go into itself. So 5 is the exponent. 5 is your exponent. Okay, and 2 to the 5th power is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So 2 will go into itself 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in order for us to solve 2 to the 5th power, remember it's 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to multiply 2 by itself 5 times. Remember, it's not 2 times 5, 10. If you do that for exponent, your answer will be wrong. The base 2 will go into itself 5 times. So now we have to multiply 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 2, 16. And 16 times 2 equal 32. So our answer is 32. Once again, a quick review. Remember, for PSC paper 1, they will give you something like this that says solve 2 to the 5th power. Remember, 2 is the base, and the base tells you how much time this number will go into itself, and 5 is the exponent, and the exponent tells you how many times the base will go into itself. And here it's 2 to the 5th power, which means that you will multiply 2 by itself 5 times. So when you multiply 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And when we solve it, 2 to the 5th power equals 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 2, 16. And 16 times 2 is 32. Remember, don't make the mistake and say, okay, 2 times 5, 10. If you do that, you're automatically wrong. And in this case, the exponent is 5, so 2 will go into itself 5 times. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So 5 sets of 2 multiplied by itself. And again, 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 2, 16. And 16 times 2, your answer is 32. So exponent is that easy. Remember, you can subscribe for quick access of every video that will be posted. Thank you for viewing.